Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, and we're going down with QQQ. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H wide state, inverted H, inverted H wide state, oscillator agreement.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're doing is we're going to hold our finger over the close button and we're going to see if this price drops down to the low of the day. And if it does, we'll just punch out at that point.
Order filled.
And there's better than a $1 drop today, ladies and gentlemen. As always, never forget, be a pro.
Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, 2024, and we're going back down with QQQ. Inverted H, inverted H, inverted H wide state, inverted H, inverted H wide state, inverted H. What I want to see is this price close below the 21 moving average open, and I want to see it accelerate past the 50 moving average since it's inclining. If we can't get through the 50 moving average and we stall out there, we might look to take profits if the price doesn't continue to drop in the next 5-10 seconds or so on our 1 minute chart.
Order filled.
And there's about a 95-cent drop, ladies and gentlemen. So our first trade, we did better than $1. The second trade, we went close to $1. So overall, on 2 trades, we went $2 for the day. As always, never forget, be a pro.